I guess Mr. Allen left his garbage can out again, huh, Murph? Thank you. But you know, I can tell because I can hear the traffic passing in front of me.
May I pet your dog?
Well, he's working, but okay, just this once. His name is Murphy.
Oh. The sign says walk now.
No, I thought so, because I can hear the traffic alongside of me now. Forward. Thanks, bye-bye.